Hello. Before we start today's lesson, there's something new about iOS 14 that I need to show you. So, when you tap on the annotations button, you have to hit these three dots and you have to make sure draw with finger is on. Otherwise, you can't draw with your finger. Okay, I discovered that halfway through making this video, and so I didn't want you to have to discover it also. Okay, so on to the video. Today's lesson is about common factors and greatest common factors, how to find them and what to do with them. So, first, imagine you have 28 yellow marbles and you want to put them into little bags so that each bag has exactly the same number of yellow marbles in it. Here are all the possible ways you can do it. You can make 28 bags with 1 marble each, 14 bags with 2 marbles each, 7 bags with 4 marbles each, 4 bags with 7 marbles each, 2 bags with 14 marbles each, or 1 big bag with 28 marbles. And before you say anything, I can't make 56 bags with 1/2 marble in each one, because once you break a marble in half, it's no longer a marble. It's a piece of glass. It won't roll anywhere. It's no good to anybody. All right. Because we're thinking of 28 as a natural number, it cannot be broken up. So notice how these numbers are all factors of 28. 1, 2, 4, 7, and 14, and 28. Okay. So now, let's suppose that in addition to the 28 yellow marbles, you also had 42 blue marbles. Here are the possibility for these marbles. 42 bags of 1 marble each, 21 bags of 2 marbles, 14 bags of 3 marbles, 7 bags of 6 marbles, 6 bags of 7 marbles, 3 bags of 14 marbles, 2 bags of 21 marbles, and 1 bag of 42 marbles. Notice that these numbers are the factors of 42. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21, and 42. Okay. Now, suppose that you wanted to combine the marbles into the same bags, but you wanted each bag to have the same configuration of yellow and blue marbles. For example, if one bag has 2 yellow and 3 blue, then every bag has to have 2 yellow and 3 blue. You also do not want to have any leftover marbles. So, you could make one bag with all the 28 yellow marbles and all the 42 blue marbles all in the same bag. You could make 2 bags with 14 yellow marbles and 21 blue marbles in each of the 2 bags. Or you could make 7 bags, each with 4 yellow marbles and 6 blue marbles in each bag. Or 14 bags with 2 yellow and 3 blue in each. Now you notice, you cannot make 3 bags, 6 bags, 21 bags, or 42 bags. And that is because the yellow marbles do not split up into 3, 6, 21, or 42. See? They do not split up into 3 bags. They do not split up into those other numbers either. So, what are you going to do? Well, you cannot make 4 or 28 bags either because the blue marbles do not split into those. See, there's no way to split them into 4 bags, and there's no way to split them into 28 bags. So 1, 2, 7, and 14 are called the common factors between the numbers 42 and 28 because they are factors of 28. See, 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, and 28. And they are factors of 42. Got the idea? Now, what's the largest number of such bags that you could make? Well, it would be 14 bags with 2 yellow and 3 blue in each. That's because 14 is called the greatest common factor. Our choices are 1, 2, 7, and 14. What's the biggest number of those? 14 is the biggest number. Okay. Definitions. A common factor, a natural number that is a factor of 2 given natural numbers. 1 is a common factor to any 2 natural numbers since 1 is a factor of every natural number. Since 1 is a common factor, you always have at least 1 common factor, if not more. Usually you have more. A greatest common factor is the common factor with the largest value. All right. Wrong page, right page. So how do you find common factors and greatest common factor? Well, here are the steps. 1, find the factor list for both numbers. Here are my numbers. What is the greatest common factor of 70 and 56? I'm looking at the bottom of the page. 70. I'll find the factors of 70. I have 1 and 70, 2 and 35, 3. Nope, 3 doesn't work. 3 doesn't divide into 70 because 7 plus 0 doesn't make 9. 4 doesn't go into 70. 5. 5 goes into 70. 5 times 14 is 70. 6 doesn't go into 70. 7 goes into 70. 10, 8 doesn't go into 70. 9 doesn't go into 70. So 1, 2, 5, 7, 10, 14, and 35, and 70 are the common factors. What about 56? Well, 1 and 56. 6 is 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, so 2 fits into it. And divide 2 into that, I get 25 plus 3 is 28. 3, well, 5 and 6 makes 11, not a multiple. 4 works. 4 goes into 5 once with 1 left over. 16 4 times, so 4 and 14. 5 doesn't end in 0 or 5. 6 doesn't go in. 7 and 8. And I know I'm finished because the next number is 8. I already have 8. Okay, so those are the factors. Next, find all the numbers that are in both lists. Those are the common factors. All right, so I have 1, I have 2, not 5, not 4, 7, not 8, not 10, 14, not 35, not 28, not 56, not 70. Find the common factor with the largest value. That's 14. That is the greatest common factor. So what is the greatest common factor of 70 and 56? 14 is the greatest common factor of 70 and 56. Easy enough. Get the idea? Let's do an application. You have 2 pieces of rope. One of them is 12 meters long and the other is 18 meters long. You want to cut them into pieces that are all the same length, and you want that length to be the longest possible length. How long should you cut each piece be? Show how you get your answer. Well, again, I want the longest, that it's the same for both. I want the greatest common factor. So 12, I'm doing the factor list. 18, 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4, and I'm finished. 18, 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6, 4 doesn't work for 18, 5 doesn't work for 18, and then we're up to 6, and that's it. Find the common factors. 1, 2, 3, 6. Find the greatest common factor, 6. So how long should each piece be? 6 meters long. And that's how you get your answer. Okay, ask any questions of your teacher. That's today's video.